Hello everybody, I'm Luke Johnson, and in this video I'll summarise our recent scoping review titled The Application of Statistical Shape Modelling to the Human Hip Joint. So the use of 2D imaging, such as radiographs, to describe the 3D anatomy of the hip might actually result in poorer outcomes for many patients with hip deformity. A tool called statistical shape modelling, or SSM, could be used to bridge this gap between 2D images and 3D deformity. SSM is a way to describe complex differences in anatomy with a small number of shape parameters called modes. And in doing this, it can help clinicians and researchers to quantify differences in hip shape, develop or evaluate clinical X-ray measurements, or even to predict 3D shape directly from 2D X-rays. So to find out more, we performed a scoping review to understand the current state of the field before starting our own shape modelling studies. We included peer-reviewed journal articles that included any human population, used landmark-based methods, and exclusively modelled the hip joint. And from these articles, we collected data about the applications of the shape models, the study populations that were modelled, and the modelling methods, and other information besides. So overall, we found 104 articles that fit our inclusion criteria, the first being published in 2003 and the publication rate increasing since then. And these studies included a large variety of methodologies, including about an even split between two-dimensional and three-dimensional models, many different ways of placing landmarks around the shape boundaries or shape surfaces, and a huge range actually in the number and density of landmarks that were used. In addition, we have also identified some current gaps in the literature. So firstly, an example is that many populations are currently underrepresented in the field. For example, the overwhelming majority of shape models model populations from high-income countries, such as in North America and in Europe. Another gap in the literature is that models are often study-specific and can't easily be applied to other use cases. So we recommend that in future researchers should aim for more shareable reference models that can be applied by researchers in their own studies. To sum up, this review has summarised the field of SSM in the human hip, provided a resource for researchers interested in their own shape models, and finally identified some gaps in the literature and opportunities for future research. So for more information, please see the article itself. It's available open access from JBI Evidence Synthesis. And thank you for watching.